This is a warning to every professional private investigator out there. And if you're not a professional investigator, but you're trying to conduct your own investigation, maybe a cheating spouse or something for divorce or child custody, you need to know about this too. This is happening. Hi, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. I'm the creator of the Investigator's Ultimate Guide series, which is premium private investigator training from someone who's been there and done that. What's going on right now is when a cell phone camera is used to capture video, and of course, as professionals, we have our surveillance equipment. But if you're using your cell phone as a backup, or you're using your cell phone if to get prepared real quickly, you weren't set up quite right the way you should be for surveillance, that cell phone can be subpoenaed as evidence in the case. This is happening 100% by plaintiffs' attorneys right now. Imagine all the GPS data on that phone, all your personal contacts, photos, everything on that phone may become available if you're using it as professionally, especially for that surveillance, to capture that video, to use as evidence in court. So don't let that happen to you. If you need to know deeply how to do surveillance well, I do have the Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Surveillance. Please do check that out over at ShadowAnyone.com. In the meantime, be very cautious about using your personal cell phone for professional investigative work. Until next time, this is Larry Kaye reminding you to do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing. If you'd like to capture incredible surveillance video just like this, then the Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Surveillance is for you. It is 100% satisfaction guaranteed, no questions asked. If you want your money back, just ask. You'll get it, every penny. That's my promise to you. So click buy it now.